Hi, I am Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management. Today we are discussing about the leadership particular, and it is related to the attribution theory. Or it deals with the charismatic and transformation. Theories. करिश्मा बहुत कॉमन वर्ड है ये. समथिंग सरप्राइज, whatever. So charisma matters for the success of a leader. Through it can also be let one down. So whenever we are discussing about the leadership in the values of the attribution theory, at by the charisma theory, at by the values, at by the desires to be, so condition will be as per the norms. So first we will go through that charismatic leadership. Charismatic. Charismatic leadership. One behavioral scientist, House, House, he has given a theory of charisma. As per his, follower makes attribution of heroic or extraordinary leadership abilities when they observe certain behaviors. All of a sudden, we are in the team, we are in the member, we are in the group, we are in a group. अचानक हमारे अंदर कोई ऐसा कैरेक्टर सामने आता है जो ये लगता है कि now he can change the situation, conditions, momentum. So that is the characteristic, that is the principle, that is the charismatic leadership. तो as per the theory, हाउस की जो थ्योरीज थी उसके हिसाब से there is a 4 characters. There should be 4 characters in a person, in the leader. There should have a vision. Have a vision. In the charismatic leadership, it has a vision. Are willing to take are willing to take personal risk to achieve the vision. Personal risk. Whatever. वॉर्स होती थी पहले, आज भी हमारे देश में नोटबंदी हुई. वॉट एवर द प्राइम मिनिस्टर इज टू बी देयर. इन सर्टेन देशों में कई जगह ऐसा प्रोसेस हो चुका था, गवर्नमेंट गिर चुकी थी. तो दिस इज द पर्सनल रिस्क एफ दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, उनके द्वारा हुआ कि ऐसा करेंगे, हो सकता है खत्म हो जाए, हो सकता रह जाए. इफ अगर हम सक्सेस कर गए तो हमारी लीडरशिप एक डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मैनुअल्स में आ जाएगी. दैट्स इट. देन sensitive to follower needs. Sensitive to follower needs. We are sensitive toward the side of the followers. We are dealing with that. So these are the things कि हम हैं. Then exhibit behavior that are out of the ordinary. Exhibit behaviors. This is the age of the social networking side. A lot of small videos you are seeing in daily routine process in YouTube, WhatsApp, whatever. So here you could time सबका आएगा, टाइम बदल जाएगा, ऐसा बिहेवियर आप करते हैं तो ऐसा रिजल्ट आ जाएगा या ऐसा होगा. So they have to exhibit कि उसी में किसी ने डिफरेंट टाइप से बिहेवियर किया. They have to create the journey of that. Recently a lot of doctors, a lot of engineers, they have to come down. APJ अब्दुल कलाम के बारे में जानते हैं, बहुत गरीब घर से थे. कंडीशंस विल बी कम डाउन. उनको सही जो भी सिचुएशंस के हिसाब से उनको अच्छा मिलता गया, जैसा भी उनके फेवर को करता गया, और डे बाय डे स्टेप बाय स्टेप शायद वो अच्छी पोजीशन पे पहुंचे. सो दिस इज द हाउस थ्योरी. जो कहती है वो यही कहती है देयर शुड बी 4 कैरेक्टर्स हमारे चलते हैं. फिर तो करिश्मा कैन बी कम डाउन ऑल ऑफ ए सडन. इट मे बी कि इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि आपका अचानक से पुराने समय से चला रहा था और फिर आज की डेट में हमारा ये कन्वर्जन हुआ जिसके कारण हमें ये रिजल्ट्स मिले. नहीं, द कंडीशन कैन बी कम डाउन ऑल ऑफ ए सडन, ऑल ऑफ ए सिचुएशन एज पर द नीड बेसिस इमर्जिंग, और इट कम्स ड्यू टू द सोशल crisis, or because the social crisis वी हैव टू कम डाउन, और जिसके बेस पे हमें ये चीजें देखने को मिली. We have already discussed about the trait theory and the behavioral theory. So in the charisma, this theory will be no relation in that, because traits and personality are related. Yeah, definitely there are certain traits: good looking, good speaker, good motivational feast. He has a intrinsic behavior, intrinsic motivation. This type of points is to be accepted. But for the rest of the things, it may be not be. So people can be trained to exhibit charismatic behaviorship. So all the people which are charismatic leadership qualities, they have this type of things. Now there is a, if you have to look at how charismatic leader influence followers, how charismatic leadership influence followers. लीडर्स इन्फ्लुएंस फॉलोअर्स, बिकॉज लीडर्स के साथ तीन कंजुगेशंस लगी होती हैं: लीडर, सिचुएशन एंड द फॉलोअर्स. स्पेसिफिक सिचुएशन में लीडर के साथ जो लोग आ जाते हैं, दे आर नोन एज ए फॉलोअर्स, और इन द करिश्मेटिक लीडरशिप में कंडीशन विल बी लिटिल बिट डिफरेंट. रूल वही है, प्रॉब्लम वही है. देयर इज अ 4 स्टेप प्रोसेस. 4 स्टेप प्रोसेस हाउ द फॉलोअर्स इज टू बी इन्फ्लुएंस्ड. Number 1, leader articulates an attractive vision. Leader articulate attractive vision. Attractive vision. Writing मैंने थोड़ा ऐसे बना देता हूं, but we just. तो leader articulates an attractive vision in which we have been discussed about. And now What is attractive vision? आप आज 5,000 रुपए लगाइए और हमारी कंपनी जिस हिसाब से ग्रोइंग हो रही है आप देख रहे हैं, हम इंटरनल डेवलपमेंट करके इस 5,000 को आपके 3 सालों में 50,000 बनाएंगे. प्रोसेस ईच एंड एवरीथिंग हम दे रहे हैं, बट मनी इज नॉट बी कंसर्न इन दैट. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग एन एग्जांपल इज टू बी देयर. Whatever the things कि तुम आप हमारे साथ आइए, I can change the world, I can change the routine. So the first step is leader articulates an attractive vision. So there should be a vision statement, there should be a format, long-term strategy goals, and link past, present, and future. This is to be given by the leaders. Then second step, that is leader communicates high performance expectations and confidence in followers' ability. Third, leader convey a new set of value by setting an example. वो लीडर ऑलरेडी ऐसा बना चुका था कि लोगों को उसके ऊपर कॉन्फिडेंस आने लगा और डे बाय डे आगे बढ़ता गया. And the fourth step, that is leader engages in promotional, inducing and often unconventional behavior to demonstrative conviction about the vision. हम जिस रास्ते चल रहे हैं जरूरी नहीं है कि हम उस रास्ते ही आगे बढ़ें. मे बी पॉसिबल इफ वी हैव टू नीड इट, हम आगे बढ़ने के लिए यह रास्ता भी ले सकते हैं. आई एम जस्ट रिमेंबरिंग ए मूवी, लगे रहो मुन्ना भाई. याद है, गांधी जी को सोच के पिक्चर बनाई गई थी और उस मूवीज में संजय दत्त इज द हीरो. तो जब वो कहता है एक जगह पब्लिक में कि कोई एक गाल पे आपके झापड़ मारे तो आप दूसरा गाल भी उसके आगे कर दो, उसने वैसे ही किया. लेकिन जब तीसरा बार उसने झापड़ मारा, तब दूसरी बार जब उसको झापड़ मारा तो उसने खींच कर उसको एक दिया और उसने कहा कि भाई मुझे ये नहीं पता था कि एक के बाद दोबारा बापू ने क्या कहा. अगर आप थीम को सोच के चलेंगे तो लीडर जो है वो यही करता है, लीडर engages in emotional facing and often unconventional behavior. नई चीजें लेके आता है. It's not necessary कि conventional is to be there. Whatever the past was there is not be followed by the leader. If that is a leader, it is a traditional leader. Today we are discussing about the transitional versus transformational versus this charismatic leader. Charismatic leader is come down out of the thing. Now, in charismatic leadership there is an importance of vision, because vision must be inspirational, value centered, realizable and given with superior imaginary and articulations. फिर charismatic effectiveness and situations. When what is the condition is to be there? When the charisma leader works effective, किस कंडीशन में अच्छा काम करेंगे वो? They're saying when the follower task has an ideological component, very important, ideological components. Second, there is a lot of stress and uncertainty in the environment. Third, the leader is at the uppermost level of the organization. और कोई चांस नहीं है, डू या डाई है, हम ऐसा करेंगे तो सक्सेस मिल जाएगा. Now the fourth thing is follower have low self-esteem and self-worth. This is the main thing here. So if we have to look after the charismatic leadership, तो charismatic leadership एकदम से आता है या leadership का ये पार्ट है, इसकी बात हम लोग करेंगे. So अगर हम लोग जनरल बात करें तो charismatic leadership is possess the four typical leadership trait. Four typical leadership trait. Charismatic leadership. Nothing is to be given. It is a amalgamations. So four. There is individual competency, team skills, managerial competencies, and ability to stimulate others to high performance. ये सारे कैरेक्टर्स हम लोगों ने पढ़े थे एट्रीब्यूशन थ्योरी से. These are the various attributes which to be there give leadership behavior. So individual competency, team skills, managerial competencies and ability to stimulate others. But what ये तो जनरल होता है. चाय सबकी अच्छी होती है लेकिन कोई पर्टिकुलर दुकान चाय के लिए बहुत फेमस हो जाती है. क्यों? सेम थिंग हियर. लीडरशिप पे ये सारे कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं जो ऑलरेडी हम देखते चले आ रहे हैं बहुत पुराने समय से. मगर ऐसा क्या है इसके अंदर? Why it is to be converted into the charismatic leadership and why we have to say down this is the charismatic leadership out there? Because there are certain add-on things. That is a blend of personal humility and a professional will, personal ego needs, and the take responsibility of failures and give credit to others. This is basically the charismatic leadership which we can share down. Now this is the things. Now we have to come down the next theory, that is a transformational leadership. Transformational leadership. ट्रांसफॉर्म वर्ड आप लोगों ने सुना हुआ है बहुत पहले से, और काफी समय से आप लोगों ने ट्रांसफॉर्म, बहुत पहले एक गेम्स भी आता था डेट इज वाज देयर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल, कि ट्रांसफॉर्म इंस्ट्रूमेंट आता था, चेंज करके हम उसको डिफरेंट स्टाइल डिफरेंट एटीट्यूड का उसको बना लेते थे और फिर वापस उसको उसी पोजीशंस में ले आते थे. क्या होता था ये? क्या है ये चीजें? कभी किसी ने सोचा नहीं, कभी किसी ने किया नहीं. सो जब हम कभी बात करते हैं ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल लीडरशिप की, तो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल लीडरशिप इज बेसिकली अ बिहेवियरल अप्रोच. मैनेजमेंट की टोटल बिहेवियर पे है अगर, ठीक है. सो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल लीडरशिप इज बेसिकली, अगर इसके पहले एक हमारे पास अगर हम बात करें ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल लीडरशिप और उसको समझने के लिए वी हैव टू कम डाउन द ट्रांजैक्शनल लीडर्स. ट्रांजैक्शनल लीडर्स को समझ लीजिए. देखो, ट्रेडिशनल लीडर, ट्रांजैक्शनल लीडर, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल लीडर्स, दीज आर द डिफरेंट वर्ड्स कम डाउन विद द एट्रीब्यूशन थ्योरीज. ट्रांजैक्शनल लीडर्स जो पुराने समय में थे, ऑटोक्रेटिक टाइप, लेजिस्लेटिव टाइप और पार्टिसिपेटरी टाइप. व्हाट अबाउट द ट्रांजैक्शनल लीडर्स? ट्रांजैक्शनल लीडर इज कंटीजेंट रिवॉर्ड, एक्टिव मैनेजमेंट एक्सेप्शंस and the passive management exercise. But what about the transformation leaders? Transformation is idealized influence, समय समय पे बदलाव आता रहेगा. फिर individual consumment, then inspirational, motivational and intellectual simulations to be there. Because समय के साथ कंडीशन के हिसाब से these are the leadership चेंज होती रहती है, these are the conditions will be changed, और इसके हिसाब से ये अपना काम करते रहते हैं. So we can say down that what were the transactional leaders? Transactional leadership who guide or motivate their followers in the direction of established goals by clearing their roles and task requirement. जैसी जरूरत वैसी सप्लाई. And what about the transformational leaders? Inspire followers to transcend their own self-interest for the goods of the organization. They can give a profound and extraordinary effect on followers. Something extra we have to give down. This is the transformer. Now, before because transactional leader and the transformational leader, and this is the charismatic leader we have already studied. So nothing, कोई थ्योरी गलत नहीं होती, कोई थ्योरी पूरी नहीं है. Day by day we have to put down the researches and everything is to be come down in a new approach. But whatever the role was there for the contemporary mode, approaches to leadership is now great transformation leaders must also be transactional. Means all the transformational leadership have the capacity of the transactional leaders. They should transact. Transaction का मतलब transact. Good quality, good relations, good relations हम transact करते हैं अपने followers के साथ, अपनी reach के साथ, और by which we can do carry on and we have to go carry it together. So if you have to go further, अगर लोग जनरल बात करें कि एक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन एंड द ट्रांजैक्शनल लीडरशिप में डिफरेंसेस क्या होते हैं जनरली, तो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल लीडरशिप इज प्रोवाइड द आइडियलाइज्ड इन्फ्लुएंस, इट प्रोवाइड्स विजन एंड सेंस ऑफ मिशन, इंस्पायर प्राइड, गेन रेस्पेक्ट एंड द ट्रस्ट. बट हियर इन द ट्रांजिशनल लीडर्स वी हैव टू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्सचेंज ऑफ रिवार्ड्स, कुछ आना जाना, कुछ लेना देना. Then for efforts, promises, rewards for good performance, recognition, etc. Then in the transactional leaders, we have to put down the management by exceptions in the means of active watches and searches for deviations from rules and standards, take corrective actions accordingly. Besides this, we have passive waste also. But here in the transformations, we have to give communication high expectations, use symbols to focus efforts and express important issues simultaneously. Generally, we can say that transactional leaders is like legislative type of leaders because they abdicate responsibilities about making decisions, avoid करते हैं. But here in the transformational leaders, intellectual stimulation was there, in which promote intelligence, relationally and problem solving approach was there. Individualized considerations was there. It give personal attention, coaches and advice was there. Then we can say down कि if you have to look after the transformation and the transitional leadership, behavior, attitude, this type of values is to be there. So both are on the leadership platform, and the influential process of the transformational leadership is transactional leaderships. It is instrumental competence. They have ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. पुराने लीडर्स की अगर हम बात करें या बैंक में मैनेजर्स आज की बात करें तो पहले सब काम मैनुअल होता था. आज की डेट पे क्या है, हर चीज कंप्यूटराइज है. तो अगर हम लोग ये बाय द वे ये हुआ कंप्यूटराइज, लोअर लेवल ऑफ कंप्यूटराइजेशन. दे नो द कंप्यूटराइजेशन प्रोसेस बिकॉज व्हाटएवर एनालॉग सिस्टम वाज देयर. तो धीमे धीमे whenever they have to form the transformation, they have to change another net banking or net transport was there. So transformation leadership is to be in that way by which idealization, personalization was there. Then transformational leadership facilitation conditions will be there. Like some aspect of transformational leaderships are relevant in most of normal situations to be there. Then leaders are encouraged to be flexible and innovative. Followers, traits and values is to be there. But whenever we are discussing about the transformation and the transitional leadership and the transformation values was there, because there are certain issues created in this transformation leadership. What is that? And that issues is to be created and cleared also. That is basis for action. Transformational leadership works by encouraging followers to more innovative and the creative works. Then evaluation based on the research because whatever the expectation is to be there by the transformation leadership, it's to be done. Then we can say down that transformational leadership is in charismatic leadership also. Yes, may be accepted because charisma अचानक आया और change होता गया. So similar concept is to be there because instrumental based testing shows that measures to be roughly innovated to be there. And even we have to put down that the theories is critically analyzed, critically values to be here. So here discussing about the visionary leadership. Visionary leadership. Vision. This is a very common word in the terms of the business administration, management, or the administration, we can say. So, whatever the visionary leadership, a visionary leader is someone who develop a canny sense of the unknown, which can include the long-term future, what potential customers are looking for the hidden trends in the market or industry in which they operate. So, visionary leaders can often envisage. So generally, अगर we have put down in a general forms, तो in the various ways is to be there. So in a visionary leader is a person who has a clear idea of how the future should look. Vision, what we will see in the future. If we are in a startup company of today's and our vision is very, very clear, then on the very first day of foundation stone of that company, we can say down after 15 years, we will be so structured company was there. It may be possible crores and crores company was there. That is a vision of that particular company with a brand image of that. So for the visionary leaders, they set out concrete steps to bring a vision of life and they lead a team of people in that directions. So particular, whenever we are discussing about leadership behaviors, leadership, so regarding the visionary leaders, their vision is often emergent and the leader with possibilities. It cannot be articulated in clear terms, but can often only be expressed in the terms of a general directions, which may take a more definite shape over time. So we have already discussed certain styles of leadership like participative, ideological, change-oriented leaderships, visionary leaderships. This we have brought in executive leadership, theories, action-oriented, and the goal-oriented was to be there. So regarding when we are discussing about the visionary leadership is the preferred style of nowadays because we have the certain emotions to be there. Even in the terms of visionary leaders, there are certain key traits of visionary leaders. Traits. आजकल क्यों इतना बढ़ रहा है visionary leadership की बात? Day by day, why we are seeing that in the institution there should be the visionary leadership, not as simple transactional or transformational, whatever. These are the leader constantly skills to be there. But for whatever the skills, so the thing is the first one, the first skill, it is a persistent traits. The first is persistent. Persistent. This type of leader, visionary leaders, they don't settle for good enough. Visionary leaders want to try new things, find new opportunities, and they know how to stay the course. They are resilient and resolute. They never give up even when things get difficult. So persistence is to be there. The second thing is bold. Bold. They are tough and determined individuals who are not easily initiated. They are propounded to high policies and institutions that have been in place of a long time. They are masters of resisting pressures, both internal and externals. Visionaries or visionary leaders afraid of failures. only of never trying. They cultivated that same indeterminateness as well. So they always take the bold decisions. Whatever, they never hesitate. They will take type of bold decisions to be there. The third is strategic. Strategic. Strategy is basically a concept. So strategic planning is a skill many visionary leaders possess. They can envision what they want in the future to look time, and then strategies on how to get them. Since they are not detail oriented, they are the future oriented, they are the vision oriented, the strategic plan may not include all the technicalities, but it will be a starting point for the big pictures and big motives to be there. So fourth is risk taking. These are the skills. All of you are doing management courses. So we are vision leaders understand risk and they are willing to take them. रिस्क लेना और रिस्क समझना दोनों बातें अलग हैं. So a visionary leader always take the risk. Then communicative. We have already discussed this type of professional communication. There should be a value of that. They are skilled and communicative. They have ideas and getting others to believe in them. Then organized. They are highly organized and pay close attention to the learners that get gathered about them. Often visionary leaders are highly involved in systems analysis to determine who should be doing what, when and how they have to go for that. Then visionary leaders should be very, very focused. Their parenthesis, their focusing line of action is very, very clear. Visionary leaders can maintain high level of focus. Once the goal is identified, the leader start taking steps to reach it. Even when that means changing the minds of others around them, they work hard to display the characteristics they want to see in the team. Then optimistic. Leaders are very much optimistic. 9. Magnetism. They have a magnetic qualities to be there. If they repel the thing, others. Magnetic positive poles was there. So visionary leaders are them with a welcoming, open hearting and brings out the best qualities in the problem. Then collaboration. Whatever the work is to be, just ways to be. So visionary leaders know that learn them by in much more readily achieved when everyone is invited to the participative manners to be there. Then innovatives. Visionary have a great imagination power. They are not afraid to ask what it, and they install a love for that question in such around 10 manners to be there. Then open-minded. 12. Open-minded. These are the very skills. Open-minded. Then emotionally intelligent. 13. Emotionally intelligent. Intelligent. कब किससे कैसी बात करनी है इनको पता है. इमोशंस के साथ ups and downs pitches to be there. Then inspiration. इंस्पायर करना. Inspire. They have to inspire the others by which they achieve the things to be there. So now, visionary leaders have the good qualities of to be there. They have to reach each and every step to be there. But there should be a certain challenges which to be faced by a visionary leader. What about the challenges was to be there? If you have to look after. There are certain challenges बिग पिक्चर लीडर में मिस इंपॉर्टेंट डिटेल्स, छोटी छोटी चीजें छोड़ देते हैं हम लोग विजनरी लीडर्स। क्यों? क्योंकि हमें बड़ा गोल्स अचीव करना है। सेकेंड, दोज विद ए विजनरी मैनेजमेंट स्टाइल मे सैक्रिफाइस प्रेजेंट डे सर्कमस्टांसेस। बिल्कुल सही है, आज के दिन लोग उन्हें नहीं समझ सकते, उनके एक्शंस को नहीं समझ पाएंगे, लेकिन आने वाले समय के हिसाब से वो अपने को तैयार कर रहे हैं, अपनी इंडस्ट्री को तैयार कर रहे हैं, अपने ऑपरेशन को तैयार कर रहे हैं, अपने इंडस्ट्री फैक्टर्स को तैयार कर रहे हैं। बाकी क्योंकि उनके सामने विजन बिल्कुल क्लियर है कि उन्हें ये करना है, तो लेटर ऑन लोग उसको अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे, लेकिन वो स्टेप आज से शुरू होगा। जनरली देयर से, क्योंकि रोम कैन नॉट बिल्ड इन अ डे, स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस है, और कुछ लोग जो नहीं समझते हैं वो शुरुआत में नहीं समझ पाएंगे। देन विजनरी लीडर्स में मिस अदर अपॉर्चुनिटीज। Maybe they lost the promotions to be there, maybe they lost the things to be there, because inventions, and there is a thing, research, search, inventions, these are the different words to be there. जो आज कर रहा है वो क्यों कर रहा है ये उसको पता है, जैसा स्टेप्स वो लेता है, और डे बाय डे उसके हिसाब से उसकी प्रोसेस चलती है, और एज अराउंड उसके हिसाब से उसकी कॉन्सेप्ट निकलते हैं। सो जब लोग नहीं समझ पा रहे हैं, विजनरी लीडर्स के कॉन्सेप्ट वेरी क्लियर है, उसकी स्किल्स इज अ वेरी बेस्ट थिंग। सो हाउ ही हैज टू गो फॉर बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस। सो इन द बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस वी हैव टू से डाउन कि फॉर द विजनरी लीडर्स दे शुड अडॉप्ट सर्टेन गुड टेक्निक्स। व्हाट दैट इज द गुड विजनरी लीडर्स अंडरस्टैंड द वैल्यू ऑफ ए मिशन स्टेटमेंट। मिशन, तो गुड विजनरी वैल्यूज, good visionary leaders, they should understand what is the mission, small particles, because then we have to convert in the vision of status to be there. Then visionary leaders are always looking for improvement, they are always ready, इसीलिए वो अच्छा काम करने की कोशिश करते जाते हैं। Then visionary leaders share the vision with the right people at the right time with the right places to be there. If you want to become as a visionary leaders, then your natural tendencies you should be developed accordingly, according to the system, according to the faith, according to the values to be there. So this is the vision is to be there. Then there are certain things we have discussed about the skills, and then there should be there are 4 major qualities should be there in the visionary leadership. What is the what is the qualities? First, that is the ability to spot changing business trends. Spot changing. Whatever the business is to be going on is to be changed spontaneously. Otherwise, आपके steps काम नहीं करेंगे. Second, knowing how to adopt and play to those trends. Third, creating a plan to achieve their ambition. And the fourth, enlisting the assistance of others in pursuit of their vision. These are the 4 things which is the qualities of a visionary leadership. If this type of things they have to look after, because enlisting the assistance of others in pursuit of the vision, if they not do it all, definitely they will not get down the success, because leaders can't do it on all by its own. They need the followers, and followers are doing these things. Followers means subordinate whatever in the all institutions, and a vision and a strategy in isolation are simply not good. So for the changing directions, they should need this type of things. We have discussed about visionary leadership, but can you just tell me कि in this type whatever the leadership is to be there, so what is the importance of leadership in the organizational development? Now, because this is the next thing, importance of leadership. Importance of leadership in organization development. जो ये पेपर्स हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं या नॉलेज अपडेट कर रहे हैं, इसका मतलब सीधा सा है कि दिस शुड बी अप्लाइड इन आवर designated field. Whatever the designated field is to be there, where we will go after getting this degree, after getting this diploma, we will go in the field, join some institution, and use our skills, knowledge of each and everything for development of that particular institutions. So our leadership, this paper is useful in the organization development or not, we can see it. So importance of leadership. What is the leadership? Leadership plays an important role in the development of any organization. No organization can work effectively without effective leadership. Leadership is an important function of the management, which helps to enhance productivity and to achieve organization goals. In fact, leadership is an essential part and is crucial component of your effective management, which helps to maximize efficiency and achieve organization goals. So, there are certain importance of leadership in the organization development, without which no organization will develop, no organization will growth, their vision will not be justifiable, their vision cannot be achieved. So, number one, the first important thing, that is influencing the behavior of people. Influencing the behavior of people. Influencing the behavior of people. A leader impresses his subordinates with its leadership ability. He brings them under the control in such a way that they put in the best effort to achieve the goals of the organization. Second thing, help employee in fulfilling their needs. Fulfilling their needs. He gives that type of directions. A leader establishes personal relationship with his subordinates and tries to meet their requirements. People follow a leader because they provide them security and the opportunity to earn wealth, give them the right to work, and tries to understand their feelings. Employees willingly accept him because he takes care of their needs. So, employees fulfilling the needs पूरा करता है, a complete leadership system to be here. Third thing, introducing required changes. Because leader will lead the team. He also introducing required changes. The business environment is changing in a very dynamic process to be there. So, in order to face the changing environment, many alterations have to be introduced in the organizations. In such a form, the people hardly soften under the influence of the leaders, and he can easily make them agree to implement these changes. Fourth thing, solving conflict effectively. Solving conflicts effectively. Conflicts may be from upper level to top levels or in between subordinates, whatever. So a leader can effectively solve every type of conflict, be it in. So under the weight of his influence, a leader allows his followers to liberty to express their views. Next, training and development of subordinates. Training and development. This is a major crucial part in the development of organization is to be there. So training and development. A leader helps in the training and development of the employees. He maintains them aware of the modern techniques and tools by which the employee can get better and better and better day by day. Then setting a clear vision. We already discussed these things. Clear. कभी आप रेबैन या किसी स्पेक्स के विज्ञापन को अगर आप देखेंगे ऐड को, तो वहां लिखा रहता है विजन is not just sufficient, you need the clear vision. So clear vision is clear picturization of that, clear perfection of that has to be there. So this means influencing employee to understand and accept the future states of the organization. A good leader will influence his followers to perform their duties by explaining the vision and the importance of their role in the institutions. Next, motivating and guiding employees. Motivating and guiding. This is the prime motive, which is to be motivating and guiding. This is the things. See, he has to guide, he has to find out the needs of the employees and fulfilling them. It is important to define the employee's role in the work process and provide them with the tools needed. A good leader will always explain the task and he tries to assist them if he run into a problem is to be there. And finally, building morale. Building morale. Employees' morale should be high while achieving the targets and strategies. This involves putting everyone together towards a common goal. A good leader will let the employees know how much their work is appreciated. सबसे ज्यादा यही होता है, how much appreciation we should get down. And if a simple gestures like providing praise for a task well being, growing a party of recognition, then definitely that they will grow as per the need of that. So we can say down that leadership is an important part of the organization. Whatever the leadership, whether it's an autocratic type, whether it's a participatory type, whether it's a transformation type, whether it's a transitional type, whether it's a visionary type, whether it's a charismatic type, any type is to be there. But without a proper and professional leadership, we cannot say down the organization will develop. So we will be accepted. We cannot say down this thing कि leadership के बिना organization काम नहीं कर सकता. Yes, leadership के बिना काम कर सकता है, लेकिन उसी तरीके से किसको किसी भी रास्ते में छोड़ दिया जाए, कोई कहीं भी कहीं पहुंच जाए. Now this is so in the importance of leadership in the particular organizations, we can say there is a vast role of that. So in day-to-day practices, we can say that leadership is an important role in the organization development. We have to go accordingly. Whatever the process is to be there, we should look after. Day-to-day studies to be there. In that, a lot of bold decisions is to be taken by the leaders, and the employee or the followers should analyze that this is for the vision development. Whatever the vision, because vision can be only seen by the leader, organization leaders. He can be particularly elaborate the things in front of that by which the later on condition will come down. So if I think everything is to be clear down, whatever the concept is to be there, you have to clearly understand each and every process is to be there. Right? Thank you.